Hi everyone. In this video, we would like to share some inputs as to how do you actually pace your SEO strategy to target low-hanging fruit. For those of you who are actually doing SEO would correlate to the term low-hanging fruit, but for those who are not aware of this, it means that we target long phrase, relevant key phrase. It's a very simple 3-step strategy which would definitely yield good results. Step 1 is to check the SEO opportunities. Now, how do you do that? You need to go to the Google Search Console, click on the performance. When you scroll down, you'll find the list queries. Here you can select a few keywords having good clicks and impressions. Now confirm the ranking positions of your website for these keywords. If this is not ranking at the top, check the CTR of the keyword. If the CTR is below 1%, then we need to optimize the web page for that keyword. Once you have benchmarked your CTR, all you need to do is create 10 to 15 variations of your titles and use them to optimize your web page. To test these variations, you need to make them live one at a time. Check the stats for a couple of days or even weeks and then use the second variation. Repeat these variations till you find stats around the best title or the best performing title. The third and the simplest step is to optimize the content based on those low-hanging key phrases. You need to make sure that you create people-first content using a lot of images as well as relevant visuals. Creating videos around your relevant topics and embedding them on web pages does help. Of course, internal linking would always play a major role in providing good SEO rankings. You need to be very consistent and careful with these. This simple process does work wonders when worked along with other reliable SEO strategies. In case of any help in terms of SEO, please feel free to get in touch with us through our website. Also, would appreciate if you can like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks once again.